Hi, class. My name is Trey Clarkson. I'm going to be your professor for Principles of Sport Coaching, BSM 230, Summer Online. Really excited to get to work with you all and get to know you better and just really dive into this course with you. A little bit about me. I've been coaching basketball as an assistant coach for the last 7 years at the college level. I was 4 years at Trinity Christian College in Chicago, and the last 3 years I've been here at Arizona Christian University, coaching our men's basketball team as an assistant. So learned a lot over that time. 2015, I got my master's in Masters of Art in Education with a coaching emphasis from Greenville College. I graduated in 2008 from Western New Mexico University in Silver City, New Mexico. I live out here in Phoenix, Arizona with my wife, Joanna. We have a brand new baby girl, 10 months old. Her name is Summer. And we have a little dog, Rico. So really excited to dive into this. Coaching for me has always been a ministry, and the world needs, and all sports need, Christian coaches coming up at all levels: high school, little league, college, professional. Christian coaches are needed today. So I'm really excited to dive into this course with you guys.